Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is yet another time to post another high quality video for you guys. And now the video is about CPA self-signup. I promised on my Telegram channel that I'm going to do a video on CPA self-signup, the current working method. And the current working method involves use of anti-text browser where you create several profiles, and each profile you put it a unique proxy. And for the proxy, I'm using Node Maven. And then after you create a profile on anti-text browser using a proxy, the other important thing is to have a user agent, whereby in each profile you put a unique user agent like this one. You can use user agents. Once you are done, you just need now what? You just require your offer hosted on a domain like this one. Remember, on my YouTube channel here, I showed you people how to create a landing page, how to input your offering on these particular landing pages. And then on this video here, I showed you on how to host your landing page on a free domain. And that's what I did in order to get this one. Someone might ask, where did I get this link here? That's how I got it. So once you're done with everything now, you are good to go. So let's just do it practically. But before you do it, let me show you how I get my user agents. I have two sites. This one, CPA Traffic Zone. They offer user agent generator. And then we also have another site called freelancer nazmullight.com. He's my friend. He's another YouTuber. So he has a site where you can be able to generate user agents among other cool features that the site offers. So if you need any services here, or you want to register on Freelancer Nazmul website, contact him through Telegram. He has his socials under the once you on this site or during registration. Tell him you are from OnlineEarnHunter YouTube channel, and you're going to get a discount. So now, without wasting time, let me click here. I want USA. I want my offer is about. I want to do the desktop offer. So let me click Windows. Then yeah, that's brand is the same. Environment, web browser, Chrome. You can select the environment that you need. I want us to use web browser and a Chrome browser. Then quantity can have two. Then the next is just click generate. So I'm going to use this one. So now we have the user agents. I've shown you how to get where to get the user agents. So then we go back to here. Quickly, let's create a profile on Freshid. Remember, you can use any anti-text browser. I'm just using Freshid because it's easily accessible for me at the moment during this tutorial video. So let me go back to proxy. You can use any location. You can use Georgia. Yeah, I don't have a particular ISP in mind or city, so I'm just leaving it like that. Then make sure it's SOX5 like this. Once you're done like that, confirm everything is okay. Remember, you can also use any other proxy site. It's not a must use Node Maven. There are so many other cool proxy site services out there. So just feel free to pick whatever is available to you. So once you pick your proxy, the setup here is normal, like the way you do for surveys. Confirm. Yeah. Then another thing, remember we have a user agent. So scroll down. So here, under random, you cannot be able to change on when using Freshid. So if you want to change on Freshid, come here, remove this one, then go back to here. Then let's select the user agent for this one, fresh one, for Windows 11. The reason I don't like using the user agents provided by anti-text browsers is because so many people are using them. So it makes hard to get a conversion because so many people have used that particular user agent to convert to complete an offer on it. So web address, you always keep it off when you're doing for CPA self-signup. So that's all the setups that you need and all the apparatus that you need to have for this kind of work. So now create. So once you do that, just click start. Hope our IP is online. So our IP is offline. This happens. So what you do, just come here. Let's change it. Let me go back to here. Let me check this one. So let me check. This one is okay. Confirm change. So open. Let's hope it opens. This one is perfect. Let me put it in your view, field of view. So the first thing, once it opens, we check our anonymity. You can't be working with 60% anonymity on doing self-signups. You won't get anywhere. Jumping. I'm trying to put it under my recording screen view. So let me refresh. Hope you can all see. Nice, that one is okay. I hope everybody can see. So you can see that our anonymity is 100%. So the next step you're supposed to check is our IP score using ipscore.com. Tells you whether our IP is blacklisted on any site. These are the normal processes that you need to do before opening even a survey site. Always check your anonymity and the quality score of your IP, whether it's blacklisted on any site. If it's blacklisted, you won't be able to do anything. So under ipscore.com, always make sure that under the blacklist section here, your IP is clear on any spam blacklisted. The sites for blacklisting your IP as a spam, they are all clear, meaning that your IP is clean, is not listed on any site. And also your score is 100%, 100 is 100. So once you confirm everything is okay, your anonymity and the quality of your IP, now go back to your domain or to your CPA offering, click on it, come here and paste it here. And that's how now, from here now, you can be able to complete your offer. So let me access my domain where I have hosted my landing page, and all these tutorials I showed you, I have done them on my YouTube channel. Yeah, let me go back again one more time. This one, creating a landing page, hosting the landing page on a domain, on a free domain. So easy processes. And I hope you guys have been following up on my playlist for doing CPA marketing, and I hope you are getting something. Now, my page is loading badly, don't know why. Let me refresh, reload the page. So this is my CPA offer landing page. I have put several CPA links here for various offers. Remember, this is a survey offer, and I have various links here for the Android offer, for the desktop offer, and the iOS offer. And since now this is a desktop offer, I click on desktop. If I'll be working on, if I could be working on let's say on GoLogging anti-tech browser which has an Android app, I could have used to use it. I could have signed up using Android, and my user agent could be, I could have set up my user agent to be Android form. Now, this is the desktop version, and so I'm going to complete this desktop offer here. So there is no way you can be having an offer requiring people to work on a desktop, and then you complete that offer on an Android or iOS device. Even if you complete that particular offer, it will not convert on your CPA site. So it's always good to differentiate between the both. So once this page opens, now it means now you have accessed your CPA offer page, and from here it's so easy to complete this self-sign-up offers. So what you do now, always make sure that the email you are providing here has a clear first and last name. Remember the normal way of creating an email. Make sure you have a normal email with a first name and last name. And the best offers for CPA self-sign-up are the one for either dating offers, whereby you require to create a dating profile, or the email and zip submit offers. But the one which I would advise the beginners is the email and zip submit offers. If you have been working on various CPA sites, under the categories of the services they offer, always check for the email and zip submit offer. Those are very good, because all you need to do is to put an email. Let me just guess an email here. Just need to put an email with a clear first name and first and last name. Yeah. Once you do that, click continue. You'll be prompted to put now your address, your first name, last name, your date of birth, address, your phone number. Yeah. Once you do that, click continue, and you'll be prompted to complete like one survey offer or two survey offers. And once you're done, you get your conversion on your CPA site. It's simple and as quick as what I've shown you here. And you can repeat this one like 100 times for various particular offers or for the same offer. Just remember to follow all the instructions, and the email has to have first name and last name, and also you have to have a legit address. Yeah, you know how to check address on various sites. Always make sure you have a legit address which is traceable, and also have a phone number, non-VoIP phone number. Don't use a VoIP phone number. Use non-VoIP phone number, like from Text Verified and sites like that, like those ones. So guys, that's the update I had for you today. I hope the new series I'm doing of doing CPA offer tutorials is helping people to move in this field of CPA marketing. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll be very, very much grateful. I have more cool content coming. Right now I'm back full force, and so expect more quality content from the best YouTube channel. So thank you for watching, and keep it locked to my next video.